So I'm going to show you how to remove the CMOS battery from your computer's motherboard. Now, you can do this on any motherboard, whether it's MSI or any other type of motherboard you might have. Now, I'm going to do this tutorial using the MSI motherboard. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure your PC is off, and then you've unplugged the power cable from the PC. Make sure you do that before you attempt this. Sorry. Now, the next thing you want to do is open up the case of your PC, and with the case open, you should now be able to see the CMOS battery. So this is what the CMOS battery looks like. All right. Now, to remove the CMOS battery, you simply find this little latch here. Let me just try and bring it closer. So you can see this latch here. So you just need to push it this way, away from the battery, and the battery should pop out. Now, in case you're not able to do that, sometimes you have a little piece of plastic in here, and that little piece of plastic is supposed to prevent you from accidentally releasing the latch, hence dropping your battery accidentally. So you can remove that piece of plastic. Sometimes you might have to get a pair of tweezers and simply just pull out that piece of plastic, a little piece of plastic in this space here. Okay, now with that little plastic removed, all you have to do is push this latch away from the battery, and that battery simply just pops out. It's that simple, right? So that's basically how to remove the CMOS battery from your motherboard. Now, the CMOS battery placement could be different depending on the specific brand of your motherboard. Now, for this one, it was sitting below the GPU, so I had to first of all pull out the GPU. Now, for some motherboards, you might have to pull something else out. For instance, you might have to pull out the RAM or something else, or sometimes you don't even need to pull out anything. But that is basically how to remove the CMOS battery from your motherboard. Thanks for watching, and good luck.